Nga nabanggit nga natin, kailangan niya ng konting recovery plan dito kasi nga short story, yung the pocketing's not pocketing, di ba?
Well,
He has been missing makeable shots, yung mga pagapang, although a couple of times or 3 straight times already, he has been winning that safety battle.
ito no safety battle required. This could be a run out para sa kanya dito.
At hindi naman ganong magkakalayo yung bola.
No issues after making that opening shot on the 1. Yan, nag-check spin pa siya dyan para yung 8 into the same pocket as the 7. Deca Bergas wants revenge after losing to Jonald Galvez the first time